my lovely students, I welcome you all to today's class. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amoako-Attah. If today is the very first time of you joining my class, a special welcome goes to you. If you are yet to subscribe, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then you click on the notification bell too to receive updates from me all the time. Great! And thank you so much for the feedback I have been receiving. It means that you have been studying very hard. Congratulations and keep it up. Good. Okay, so for today, we are going to treat about... You excited? Hello, now let's look at our standard for today. Polygons in the coordinate plane. Good. Then we come to our I can statements. 1. I can draw polygons in the coordinate plane. 2. I can draw polygons in the coordinate plane to solve real-life problems. So with this one, after everything, how are you going to apply whatever you have learned to solve the everyday life problems that you encounter in your life? That is the most important thing. Now let's look at our learning targets for today's class. That is, draw polygons in the coordinate plane and find distances between points in the coordinates plane. Draw polygons in the coordinate plane and find distances between points in the coordinate plane. Then we come to our agenda. 1. Do now. So you do your do now. Then 2. I will model how to draw polygons in the coordinate plane. Then I'll give you the opportunity to work with your partner. Then I'll also give you the opportunity to do your own work. Then we will take our exit ticket to end the class. And this class is promising to be very interesting. Okay, but before we come to the main lesson, let's look at what some of the beautiful works that I have over here. Good. I did this with grade 6 students, and they were able to plot the points. 1, they were able to draw their coordinates. Beautiful. Label their answers. Good. Plot their points and join each point to form these wonderful shapes, that is polygons. Good. Remember that topic, polygons in the coordinates plane. So these are some of the wonderful works that my students did today after going through the lesson with them. Good. All right. So I believe you can also do same or nicer things than this. 1. So now let's go to the board and practice it together. Wow. Good. Okay, so with this one, the first thing that they did was 1. They were able to identify the ordered pairs. So this is our coordinate plane. Now let's identify the ordered pairs for A, point A. What is the ordered pair for point A? Good. Point A is in the intersection, which is the 0, 0. So it means the ordered pair for point A is 0, 0. Good. Now we come to the next one. What is the ordered pair for point B? Point B, we have it as, now for you to get the ordered pair, start from the x-axis. From the 0 point, how many units did you take before you got to your point on the x-axis? So 1, 2, 3 units. It means we are getting 3 on the x-axis. Then on the y-axis, what would be the units? Number of units? 1, 2. Great. That is -2 because we came down. You remember it? How to label the coordinate plane. These are positive values. Numbers to the right of 0. Numbers to the left from 0, negative values. Numbers to the top from 0 are positive values of y. The numbers to the point that numbers down from 0 are negative values of y. So this becomes -2 under the y coordinate of point B. What about point Y? Okay, let's come to V first. Okay, so what is the ordered pair over here? From the point 0, how many units are we taking? 1, 2, 3 to the left. That is giving us a -3. Then down 1, so from this 1, 2, 3 also down, so -3. Then becomes the last one, that is point Y. From 0, 1, 2. Good. So we are landing on 2 on the x-axis. Then moving up, 1, 2, 3. The intersection here, so we are getting 3 on the y-axis. Good. So I believe you can also do your plotting when you go home. So now take your grid papers, then you do this for me. So the first one is plot the following pairs of numbers. You have A, -2, 0. B, 0, 2. 3. C is -5, -1. Then the last one, point D, is 6 and -3. Good. So these are the points. Plot them, then you connect the points to form your polygons. All right, great. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I believe this tutorial was helpful. That you were able to watch this video is something that is encouraging, that you didn't use your time to watch anything that is so bad, but you used your time to watch something on math. So congratulations and keep it up. Do the assignments, post your answers, and send them to me at the comment section. Share the links to your friends and encourage them to watch as well. So when we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.